Hello everyone, welcome to the next new counter champion, the bomber Mischief maker. She looks pretty cute, right everyone? This is the counter champion for the 5th generation bomber. She is a skill damage attack type. Skill 1. This officer's bomber troop deals skill DMG to a target with each bombing run. DMG coefficient 1800. Skill 2, Attack Form. Increases the DMG intensity of this officer's troop by 35% when attacking enemy troops. Oh my god, 35% DMG intensity, this is probably the most worthwhile skill to learn for a fighter. Skill 3, Attack Form. Increases the officer's skill boost of this officer's bomber troop by 25% and its normal attack boost by 25%. This skill is also worth learning for other officers. Skill 4, Special. Increases the bombing efficiency of this officer's bomber troop by 15% and its HP by 30%. Awakening Skill. Whenever this officer's bomber troop deals damage, 10% of that damage will be converted into shield for Force South. The shield HP cannot exceed 20% of the troop's max HP. This skill is quite similar to the Phoenix Girl's skill. Instead of healing, it will now create a shield. Creating shields for boss planes is really cool. Like this, one throw will kill all the artillery, haha. What do you think about this 5th generation bomber general? Is it worth it for us to wake this girl up? Please leave a comment to let me know. Thanks.
Đây là bộ chiêu dành cho bản tiếng Việt anh em Việt Nam. Cảm ơn mọi người đã xem.